Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Varis. Welcome you all in Healthcare with Dr. Varis. Viewers, today's topic which I have chosen for you is protection of baby under 1 year from this cold. Viewers, babies are more prone to cold and other infections, disease because their immune system is yet not fully developed. They are getting some antibodies from mother during pregnancy and breastfeeding, but after 6 months antibodies are less effective and baby risk of catching cold increases. So until their immune system starts to develop its own antibodies, regardless of the strength of baby's immune system to get cold in winter becomes doubled, because in the cold germs are easier to spread from one person to the other. Cold air also make blood vessels to nose smaller, which affects the defense system, and in the nose the vessels becomes narrowed and germs to multiply there, and body cannot fight with the cold. So nose becomes blocked and coughing starts. How to prevent from this cold? We have to breastfeed the babies. We have to avoid the second-hand smoking, means passive smoking, which is very dangerous for the child because their immune system are not fully developed. We also keep in mind that vaccination cannot prevent the cold, and we have to prevent our babies by keeping and continue the breastfeeding, washing your hands before feeding and the breasts, and so keep contaminated objects out of the baby's mouth, like their toys. Avoid crowds and sick people in the baby's first winter. Cover your mouth when you cough. Keep your baby covered when in public places. Wash with disinfecting wipes. Sick guests are not allowed. So if you have any query and question regarding the health care of your babies, you may ask and write in comment box. Till then, Allah Hafiz.